and welcome everyone to my channel. And I'm very happy today because I have received 100 subscribers, which is a great thing for me. People might be so they might be famous people who might be getting many subscribers. I'm not a famous person, and I really want to be a good person rather than a famous person. So I'm very happy that I have 100 subscribers. And why I'm like telling you all in English, I know that I have a lot of people who watch it in Hindi. So आप सभी लोगों के लिए भी बहुत 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 थैंक यू, बिकॉज मेरे 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स पूरे हो गए हैं. एंड मेरे को यूट्यूब से भी बहुत स्पेशल मेल आई है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड आई एम रेडी विथ माई नेक्स्ट पोएम. और ये पोएम इंग्लिश में है बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू मेक माई पोएम ग्लोबल. सो ग्लोबल का सब बहुत ग्लोबल इज़ लॉन्ग रनिंग थिंग and people will watch it, understand it. So I want to convey my message to everyone. Next poem with the same topic will be in Hindi because I have written a long poem in Hindi. This poem is very short. Let me read out for you. This is my new poem. Thank you so much for liking again and subscribing and getting it subscribed by more and more people. I want to cross 1000 now. So this is the time to start for 1000 subscribers. I want to do another celebration. Okay, thank you so much. So this is about where do we exist and how do we exist. हमारी ज़िंदगी कहाँ तक सीमित है. हमें लगता है हमारा कोई चला गया और हमारे यहाँ कोई खुशियाँ आई है, जैसे किसी का बर्थ होना. बट it's a small part of universe, right? There are a lot of things beyond it. So this is a poem just thinking about the universe and how we play our roles in this universe. Okay, so let's begin. The world is big, yet the world is one. Many claim their lands. Many claim their lands, but it belongs to none. People live here and just play their roles. They act like owners of planet, but their dreams are all false. The brightest, shiniest star. I hope you understand what I mean with brightest and shiniest star. Sun. So the brightest, shiniest star holds strongly on our lives. It makes us sleep on time. It makes us sleep on its time, and human for everything that we thrive. Giving birth and dying here. Giving birth and dying here, not even our body that we can take back. Right, we cannot take our body. So giving birth and dying here and not our body that we can take back is such a small part of universe. There's so much beyond to know what we all lack. So here I finish my poem with just this thing that we are all controlled by nature. We do not control nature. We cannot claim this is our land. It's just that we are a part of it and we play our roles and we go back. We go back, we come back, and we play our roles yet again. So let's do good, let's be good, and let live and let others live. Thank you so much, and please pass it on to other people. थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू अ लॉट. आप सब लोगों को थैंक यू. मोर की आवाज़ आ रही है, आई होप आपको सुनाई दे रही होगी. बहुत सुंदर मोर है मेरे इस तरफ में. मैं आपको दिखा के और थैंक यू बोलती हूँ. वेल कैमरा नहीं पीछे जा रहा है. सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुल मोर आई हैव इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड नेचर्स ब्यूटी राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.